Welcome back to Fast Money. We've got a Bitcoin alert for you. Check out the move in the cryptocurrency, up nearly 20% today, breaking above 8,000 moments ago, putting its gains for the year at more than 110%. The rally is so big, that we've decided to bring back the Bitcoin bug, which graces the corner of your screen right now.
It'll be the end of the rally once we put that up there.
Don't agree
there?
with the people on Twitter. Those people are trolls. So what is behind this monster move? Karen, what are your thoughts?
I don't know. I mean, I've had a lot of, I'm unclear. But one of the theories out there is that people in China are looking to find a way, get the money out, and maybe Bitcoin is the way to do it. And, if there's, we've talked a lot with BK about it. He thinks there's not that many sellers around looking to aggressively sell. And so if you have some big demand and not a lot of sellers, obviously you get a big move here. I haven't seen a better explanation than that.
There's also Consensus Week going on in New York City, so a big Bitcoin conference.
The Bitcoiners are running around and they're whipping up some froth. And I'm not saying it's warranted or not warranted. I'm telling you that there's no question that there's a fresh spotlight, and I don't think there's a lot of volume going through making this move. But if you're going to bet on one name in crypto, you're going to bet on Bitcoin, and that's what's going on. Also, when you start to see global, just call it, market dislocation, that's not a surprise. We've seen this before.
I like what Carter Braxton Worth said about Bitcoin. I'm not sure what it is, but it acts well.
So we play the game from time to time.
Exactly. You know where I'm going.
I know where you're going. If you didn't
landed from another planet,
landed from flew from Mars, which a lot of people think that I have done that, and you just looked at the chart and you said you didn't put Bitcoin, and just looked at it.
Exactly. What is it? What does it look like?
Well, that 6,000 level, which was support for quite some time, now it's blown through it. So resistance becomes support. I'm not a Bitcoin trader. I wouldn't know the first thing about it, but I will tell you that chart looks extraordinarily good.
Well, you should talk more about it then if you don't know anything about it.
I tried to learn, Dan.
So a consensus is here. There's no Lambos lining up in front of the thing. Listen, one of the things I think is really interesting that when the bull case was emerging in 16, 17, when the thing was just skipping higher, one of the things was it was uncorrelated to traditional risk assets. So we saw that wasn't exactly the case. And when it went straight down like 3,000 points in December, when, that wasn't the case. The fact that it's acting opposite to the stock market right now, I think it's pretty bullish.